2015 Chevy Corvette C7, the Night Rider. The new Night Rider, we'll call it. All decked out black and black. Super cool. All it's missing is the little thing in the front go woo woo. I know, guys, don't get mad at me. I know it was a Trans Am. It just, I don't know, for some reason it reminded me of it. I'm weird like that. My brain works differently. Here's a factory converter there. Here's a factory converter there. Secondary converters there. X-pipe right there. It's all covered by this skid plate to protect it. Then it's got the axles on top on each side over the rear axles. And then what we did is did a muffler delete there and there. And then we tied away the valves. We kept the top valves in, but we deleted the rear valves that go on the mufflers, and we just zip tie them away on each side like nothing happens. And then we finished it up nicely with some quad black chrome tips by our good friends in Natami right there. Their part number is NT2568BC. So if you guys want the link to there'll be a link in the description for it. Okay, guys? Check out the back lights too. They're cool. Everything's all murdered out. The murdered out vet right there. Very nice. I like it. And there's the two mufflers that were on it. There and there. And how it works, if you guys can see inside of there, there's a valve on this side. When it opens, it becomes straight pipe. When it's closed, it goes through the muffler and it becomes a lot quieter. That's how the valves work. See the valve right there? Let me see if I can get it in the light better. There's the valve on this side and no valve on this side. So when the valve is closed, it goes through here and it becomes quiet. When the valve is open, it gets a little bit louder, about 40% louder. Okay? But there's the two mufflers that we're on. So anyways, stay tuned, guys. And like always, like, comment, and what? Subscribe. Yes, sir. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys know. The license plate's badass. Go ahead. That sounds phenomenal. What do you guys think of the sound? That's sick. Your sound decibels? 113? Let it idle. There's idle. So an idle's very quiet. That's surprising. Give it gas. It's about 72 at idle, 114. Sounds so good. Perfect? Or you want it louder? We can make it louder.
How much louder?
Delete the X-pipe or put in the high flow cats. It'll be a lot louder.
Let's stick with this for a little bit, and then maybe I'll do that.
Come on.
Let's see.
Come on.
113, pretty loud.
Yeah. No, 121 is pretty loud. 113 is about average.
Oh, okay, cool. All right, that sounds pretty loud to me.
Okay. That's all that matters. You like it? I like it.
I love it.
Hell yeah. Very nice. Give you guys a walk around. Check it out. I like it in all black like that. That's so nice. You see? It's all blacked out. It looks so good. I love it. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Beast mode.